Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a shape of multiple stars using a cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop, please make one by watching the tutorial video linked in the description box below. Let's get started. First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop and hook one end onto your left thumb and pinky finger. Keep these two strings parallel, then hook the other end of the loop onto your right thumb and pinky finger, just like this. Now, using your right pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left hand and pull it to the side. Next, using your left pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string between the two vertical strings on your right hand and pull it to the side. Now, using the backs of both thumbs, pick up the two strings where the red stars are shown. Then, with your middle fingers, pick up these starred strings. Now, release the strings from both thumbs. Next comes a tricky part. Insert each of your thumbs into the blue dotted spaces from above. Then use the backs of your thumbs to pick up the red starred horizontal string and bring it forward. Now, slowly release the strings from both pinky fingers and pull to the sides. Here's another tricky part. With your right hand fingers, bring the red starred string from left hand through the blue dotted space and hook it onto your left pointer finger and thumb. Do the same on the other side. With your left hand fingers, bring the red starred string from your right hand through the blue dotted space and hook it onto your right pointer finger and thumb. Now, slowly release the strings from both middle fingers. Next, if you take a close look at the left hand, you can see one horizontal loop and two small loops with stars. Make sure the horizontal string is above the small loops. With your right hand fingers, move the loop around the pointer finger to the front of the pointer finger. Then same way, move the loop around the thumb to the front of the thumb. Repeat the same steps on the right hand thumb and pointer finger. Find the two separate loops and make sure the horizontal string is positioned above them. So here, I need to move the horizontal string above the two loops. So bring it up. And move the pointer finger loop to the front of the pointer finger and the thumb loop to the front of the thumb. Finally, adjust the strings around both pointer fingers slightly. Then, with both thumbs, hook the red starter strings and pull them down. And wiggle your fingers to refine the shape. And this is multiple stars. The trick is to keep your pointer fingers steady and straight while pulling the thumb strings down. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, practice makes perfect. You need a repetition and patience for Cat's Cradle. Thank you for watching.